We all know how amazing AquaVault's FlexSafe Mini is. This portable travel safe is a must-have item for keeping your valuables safe while you're on the go. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure your FlexSafe Mini is unlocked. To do this, enter the factory code, which is 000, and then squeeze both silver buttons to unlock it. Once you have successfully unlocked the safe, you're now ready to change the code to whatever you like. You'll need to press in the tiny black reset button located in the top right corner of the lock. If you use a paperclip or the tip of a pen to push the button in, move the dials to select your new combination, and once that's displayed, squeeze both silver buttons on each side, and now your new code is set. You are now ready to use your FlexSafe Mini and securely lock up your valuables wherever you go. And if you ever decide to change the code again in the future, simply repeat these steps above to set a new combination. And remember that instead of using the 000, you'll need to use your current code in order to press in the reset button so you can change to a new code. Now it's time to enjoy some peace of mind. Happy travels with your new secure FlexSafe Mini Travel Safe.